Hello, I'm
Hello.
Linda, and this is Russell. Welcome to Seed Faith Homestead. Thanks for being here. Welcome to our channel. About this time of day in the afternoons, we head out and...
One of us does.
Yeah, one of us. And we try and give the chickens a little snack, give our pigs a snack, kind of check on everybody. So join us as we check on everyone. There's our girls. Here the pigs come running. They heard us.
Let's take care of these two first.
Okay, we'll spin you back around. Hey, girls.
Hey, Paul, this.
They know what's in the bag. See if you can see Wanda. Let's see if she'll jump. She's jumping for it. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh. Here, here, here. Ouch. Ow, 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 ow.
Sweet girls.
Okay. Alright, I'll give you one more handful. Oh. Okay, Wanda. Okay, baby. Okay, here. Wait. I gotta take it now, okay? I gotta take it. Alright, you wanna throw one more handful? And we'll go check on the pigs. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna let the pigs out so they can have some fresh grass.
Y'all pour up over there. Come on. Come on.
Whoop, that scared him. Hey, Dolly.
Sweet girl.
Good weeds. Some good clover. Hey, Dolly. What's the matter, Wanda? You looking for more? They're all feisty in there.
It's got some protein.
Yeah, I need to give them some clover too.
It's just a smacking.
I know, I was going to say the sounds of a pig smacking. I'll get you some clover in a minute.
She's about to get pecked again on the nose like she did the other day. She won't get her nose too close. The other day, Dolly, this one right here, she was getting her nose real close to the chickens, and Lemon had pecked the stew out of her nose. That's what's going on right here. She'll do it again. She gets her nose up there too close.
Yeah, the chickens don't seem to be too scared of the pigs.
What do they do? They want that same dress. Come here, sweet girl. Dolly, come here. Come here. Come here, sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Hey, Dolly, you gonna get pegged?
These pigs, of course, I've never been around any other pigs, but this breed seems to be very friendly and docile for the most part. Now, when we go in to feed them, they're pretty rambunctious, and you know, they will knock you over if you're not, if I'm not careful, and if I'm not wearing shoes. I mean, if I'm in flip flops or something, I don't go in there barefooted, but I mean, if I'm wearing flip flops, you know, they will try and nibble my toes and things like that. But other than that, they're very friendly pigs. So far we love this breed. This is our first time ever having pigs and coonies, but we're really enjoying them. Come here, Dolly. Dolly. Hey, girl.
Come here, sweet girl. Come here, sweet girl. You are so sweet. Such a sweet girl. Oh, that side right there. They have full of there's not a whole lot of grass back here.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of grass back here. It's not as green back here as I'm saying grass. I guess it's really weeds. The weeds are more green right here than they are back here. And they've already kind of tore this up. So we will be looking for a new spot pretty soon to move the fence again. It's a good thing about having this Premier One fencing that we can move it around.
I think we're going to have to go out this way.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to go out that way. We're kind of leery to leave them in this area without us out here, just because there's no electric fencing inside here. And chickens are right here. You know, and I just don't know if the pigs would try and dig to get to them, root to get to them.
Come here, Ginger. How you doing, baby? Good girl. Good girl, Ginger. Like you're not gonna throw us now?
See the red bucket. Florida. There you go.
This is an everyday deal.
That's all I have. That's it.
Every day she brings out clover for them. And it'll be gone here in a little bit, or most of it will. I know y'all may get tired of seeing this, but it just amazes me. They're such sweet girls.
One to take me. Okay, I'm gonna give you some. I know.
She's like, you're keeping me from the food.
I know.
Let's see how good Linda is if she can pick up the other Buff Orpington. She's a little skittish. Her name is Honey. The one that does not like to be picked up. She's petting Lemonhead. Of course, the barred rock is Wanda. It's time to check for eggs today. Let's see if we got any. Oh, let's see if I can do this without falling. Pop it up on my head. Oh, got 3 in there. See if I can get these without dropping them. Oh. Now getting the pigs out of here is never an easy task. I have to usually trick them by going and getting their food bowls and throwing them on their platform in there. She's following me every step I take. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Good girls. Good girls. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dolly, come on. Ginger, come on. Let's go eat, girls. Come on. Well, come on, Ginger. Come on. Good girls. Okay, that was not hard today. Hard to film and do. Ah! She's back in. Hey, Ginger. Come on, Ginger. Ginger, come on. Ginger, good girl. Okay, that was easier than last time. Last time I was by myself, though. And Linda's actually got her food, so. Alright, she'll be back in a second.
Okay, guys, that's all we have for you today. Hope you have a great weekend, and we love you guys, and God bless. See you next time.
All right.